There's a certain feeling that creeps in when you realize that the job you just started isn't the right fit for you. It's like stepping into a pair of shoes that look great but pinch in all the wrong places. You might have been excited at first, thinking, this is it. This is the job that's going to launch my accounting career. But now, just a few weeks in, the excitement has faded, and you're left wondering if you made a huge mistake. So, what do you do? How do you navigate this tricky situation? Let's break it down. First things first, take a moment to breathe. It's okay to feel overwhelmed or unsure. The world of accounting is indeed technical and demanding, and it's perfectly normal to feel a bit daunted when you step into a new role. But before you make any rash decisions, let's weigh the pros and cons of quitting. On one hand, quitting could free you up to pursue other opportunities. Maybe you've always wanted to start your own business or go back to school for that advanced certification. Or perhaps you just need more time to focus on your personal life, spend time with family, or even take a much needed break. These are all valid reasons to consider leaving. But let's not forget the flip side. Quitting means losing your current source of income. If you don't have another job lined up, that can be a significant risk, especially with bills to pay and responsibilities to meet. Now, let's talk about job security. If you quit your job without having another one lined up, you might find yourself in a tough spot. The job market can be unpredictable, and sometimes it takes longer than expected to find a new position. And let's not overlook the potential impact on your resume. If you leave a job shortly after starting, it could raise eyebrows with future employers. They might wonder why you left so soon and if you're someone who jumped ship at the first sign of trouble. So, what's the right move? It all comes down to your individual circumstances and motivations. Reflect on why you want to leave. Are you feeling burned out? Is the work not what you expected? Or are you simply looking for something that aligns more closely with your long-term career goals? It's crucial to get to the root of your feelings before making a decision. And let's not forget about evaluating your options. Before you decide to quit, consider if there are steps you can take to improve your situation. Can you have an open conversation with your boss about your concerns? Is there a way to adjust your workload or seek additional training? Sometimes, addressing the issues head on can make a world of difference. If you've weighed everything and still feel that quitting is the best option, it's time to make a plan. Start by assessing your financial situation. How long can you go without a paycheck? Do you have savings to fall back on? If not, you might want to consider finding temporary work to ease the financial burden. Next, reflect on your goals and priorities. What do you want to achieve by leaving this job? Are you looking for a new position in a different field, or do you need a break to gather your thoughts? Understanding your motivations can help you make a more informed decision. And don't forget to update your resume and LinkedIn profile. If you're planning to look for a new job, having your materials ready can make the transition smoother. Networking is also key. Start reaching out to contacts and exploring job opportunities as soon as you can. The sooner you start, the less financial strain you'll feel after leaving your current role. Now, let's talk about the actual quitting process. It's essential to give proper notice. Most professionals agree that 2 weeks' notice is standard. This not only shows professionalism, but also allows your employer to prepare for your departure. Leaving on good terms is crucial. You never know when you might cross paths with your current employer again, and maintaining a positive relationship can benefit you in the long run. Once you've made the decision and given your notice, it's natural to experience a whirlwind of emotions. You might feel relief, excitement, anxiety, or even guilt. It's important to acknowledge these feelings. Quitting a job is a significant change, and it's okay to feel a mix of emotions. Take some time for yourself after quitting. Use this time to process what just happened and what you want to do next. Engage in activities that bring you joy and help you unwind. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family who can offer perspective and encouragement during this transition. As you navigate this emotional landscape, try to focus on the positives. Remind yourself of the reasons you decided to leave and the opportunities that lie ahead. This is your chance to pursue something that truly fulfills you, whether it's a new job, further education, or even starting your own venture. Taking care of yourself is paramount. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, eating well, and engaging in self-care practices that help you maintain your well-being. This transition period can be challenging, but with time and care, you'll find your footing again. Ultimately, remember that quitting a job, even one you just started, is not the end of the world. Many professionals change jobs multiple times throughout their careers. Whether it's seeking a better work-life balance, pursuing a different career path, or simply finding a role that aligns with your values and skills, it's all part of the journey. As you navigate this process, keep in mind the importance of gratitude. Even if your experience wasn't what you hoped for, take a moment to express thanks. You've gained valuable insights and experiences, and acknowledging that can help you move forward with a positive mindset. In conclusion, if you find yourself in a position where you need to quit a job you just started, take a deep breath, weigh your options, and make a thoughtful decision. It's your career, and you have the power to shape it in a way that aligns with your goals and aspirations. Whether you decide to stay or go, remember that every experience contributes to your growth and understanding of what you truly want in your professional life.